Yes, absolutely, my friends. What's going on, everybody? This is Luke Pico with IroncladConfidence.com coming to you guys today, my friends. Another amazing video. Yeah, buddy, baby. I hope you guys are rocking that world champions and always transforming that psychology, baby. Yeah, buddy, baby. So check it out, my friends. If you guys are new here to the YouTube channel, you guys on this YouTube channel, we talk about all things confidence building. We talk about all things mindset, and I share with you deep insights when it comes to universal laws of attraction and quantum physics, which is science. Yeah, buddy. And so I'm going to share things with you that's probably going to blow your mind if you ain't ever heard it before. And so if that sounds good to you, baby, then consider subscribing, dude, because today I'd like to share with you a little bit about reality shifting and how it's real, how you can use this information. You can use reality shifting to bend and shift your reality to a completely different kind of reality that you want to experience. Yeah, buddy. So check it out, dude. Reality shifting is real, okay? And if you've never heard of reality shifting, all reality shifting really is see, most people, we because we're 3D creatures, meaning we're material creatures, everything we see physical, right? We see the 3D world, okay? The 3D world, it only perceives reality based upon what it can see, with its 3D version of what it can see. But you got to understand something about reality, okay? Real reality starts in here. See, the reality we have up here is what we see out here. See, the only reason there's a 3D world reality is because that's all the different conscious minds coming together, putting together that 3D world of reality. But here's the thing, baby. There's different realities all over the place. See, my reality is completely different than your reality. For instance, we're talking about reality shifting and it's real, right? You want to learn how to bend reality? Because I'm sharing with you how to do it right now. See, the simple fact that you clicked play on this video on YouTube, you're now being able to shift from whatever reality you were in right now, what you were doing with your mind, and you were able to shift into this video to see the reality that I'm expressing to you and sharing with you right now, dude. Some powerful stuff, baby. This is how reality shifting works. Reality shifting is really about energy, okay? We shift our reality with our energies. Whenever we can see, if you can think about yourself going on, going to Fantasy Island, dude, right? If you can think about yourself going to some exotic paradise island and you think that in your mind, do you understand that you're literally shifting from your conscious mind from where you're at right now? You're shifting into that reality, okay? You're shifting your consciousness into that reality. And then you create that reality. And you know how you create it? Because when you shift your conscious mind into that reality, whatever that may be, you energetically, you're there instantly. It happens instantly. Boom! At the speed of lightning. And guess what? When you're there, most people will just think about it, but see, when you shift into that reality, imagine yourself walking through that paradise. Imagine yourself walking through that scenic, the ocean side, right? With the waterfall, right? Imagine it, right? You see the rocks, you see the birds, you see the plants, you see the animals, you see the beauty. You have the amazing sunshine on you, right? You have the wide open ocean. You can see it, right? What kind of energy does that create? Because it creates an energy. Simply by shifting into that reality, you can receive back the magnetic energy that reality carries. That's freaking powerful, dude. A lot of people don't know that, baby. A lot of people think this stuff's like, woo-woo and oh, brother, not real. Because they're looking at reality through a 3D version of reality. They're thinking, well, I can't go do that. I can't. Dude, you want to go to Mars? All you got to do is project your conscious mind onto Mars. How much information do you know about it? Guess what? You're pulling information from that reality. Most people don't know that. And so we do this all day, every day on the earth that we live on. See, in one reality, we're going to have this whole day where we're going to go and do something, right? We're going to go here, we're going to go there, we're going to have a good time. We have it all planned out. And then as soon as you decide to shift any one of the ideas that you had in place, you immediately shift into a different reality. Now you're going in a completely different trajectory. Yeah, buddy. And so reality shifting is energy shifting. Energy shifting. When we learn to shift our energy. See, like, for instance, have you ever seen Doctor Who, dude? Right? Doctor Who, right? What does he do in that movie? He's always jumping from one reality, one dimension of reality, to a different dimension of reality. And what does he do, dude? He gets it, in order for him to transfer to a different reality, guess what? He has to get into the telephone booth, right? And then he picks up the telephone, and then he teleports himself through the frequency of whatever he's talking on the phone to a different reality. See, that's reality shifting. It's just according to some people, oh, that's all it is, really. That's really what it is. Dude, you understand we do this all the time? When you sit back and watch a movie, you are shifting from your reality into the reality of the TV show that you're watching. Yeah, buddy, baby. Guess what? You can learn to bend and shift reality all the time. You can learn to start your day different by understanding what I'm sharing with you. Because if you want to learn how to reality shift, see, you could be stuck in a negative reality right now. What could you do to reality shift, right? What's the thing you can think of right now that's going to give you a completely different reality than this negative reality you may be dealing with or stuck in? And only you know the answer to that. You have all these ideas that'll start coming in. What are the things that you can shift into that's going to allow you to shift into that reality? But see, here's the thing. You got to be willing to do it. Because it's an energy game, baby. It's an energy game, dude. See, this is the way it goes. And so for you to be viewing this video, you've shifted your reality into my reality. And now I'm able to share and express with you this reality. That's bending reality, dude. That's freaking powerful. And there's short-term reality shifting and long-term reality shifting. See, short-term is what we do in the short term to produce the long-term results. You don't build a car in one day and then drive the car the same day. There's a gap in between. See, somebody had to shift the mindset to creating a vehicle on the surface of the earth. And then they had to keep shifting their thoughts and shifting their energy and shifting their beliefs until that car manifested on the surface of the earth. Now you got cars all over the place, right? And then it pops out into the physical reality. That's the point. So before you get there in a physical, literal sense, you see it in your mind's eye first. You see reality, the reality you want, in your mind's eye. And then you use who you are to express and project and create that reality and move towards that reality and bend your current reality until you achieve that reality. Yeah, buddy. Because see, reality, what does that even mean? Real. The word real is in the word reality. Real reality. And your reality is real for you. And guess what? You're not going to believe it. Our personality really creates our reality. Your personality creates your reality because it's how you identify with who you are. Your personality is what gives you the reality you have. You see what I'm saying here, dude? A lot of people don't know that, dude. This fool's tripping me out over here with this. It's real, baby. A lot of people don't know that. You can go and study quantum physics. See, in quantum physics, this is why it's powerful. In quantum physics controls everything. It controls everything. That means in quantum physics, you cannot have a reality without a conscious mind entering into that reality. You can't. That means you can't have a reality unless the perceiver perceives that reality to be real. And then the second it perceives it, you collapse the fact that you experience that reality. See, if this is the first time you've ever seen a video from me here on YouTube, then what you're doing right now is you're using quantum physics to observe this information. And because you're observing this information, it's giving you an energetic experience of this reality. And now when this video ends, or whenever you stop watching it, you literally collapse the fact that you experienced this reality. That's quantum physics. That's how reality works. We are the 0-point field of consciousness at any given moment in the world. Every other human on this earth is the same way. That means whatever a person, from their 0-point perception of reality, their conscious mind, from that perception, that 0 point of whatever they focus on, they immediately create in their reality. They experience it. And that experience comes back as invisible information, invisible energy that they can recall now. Now it's something that's real. Yeah, buddy, baby. Freaking amazing, dude. A lot of people don't know that. And so reality shifting is really reality energy. You're shifting energy when you shift realities. And so you got sad energy, bad energy, negative energy, or you have happy energy, positive energy, amazing energy, right? So what kind of energies do you want to shift into? You could shift into the reality of success. You could shift into the reality of growth and happiness. You can shift into the reality of transformation and confidence building. You can shift into that reality. You can shift into whatever you want to shift into. It's an energy. And then you can tap into that energy. See, this gonna blow your mind, dude, if you ain't ever heard it before, baby. So, we live in a world that's full of matter. That's the 3D world. But it's the invisible energy that creates the visible world. That's the way it goes, dude. You got an invisible world and a visible world. Invisible, visible. And it's the invisible that creates all the possibilities on the visible plane of the earth. Why do you think you get all the technology you have today? See, you wouldn't have this technology. You wouldn't have a dude sitting in his house, recording freaking 200 years ago like this. You wouldn't have that. It didn't exist at that time. But guess what? The reality of somebody's mind shifting into the possibility eventually made it possible to where it literally happens. See, you pop it out into reality. The technology comes together. Yeah, buddy. You're a technological human being. You have this amazing energetic tool that you've been given called the vehicle of you, and you're the technology. See, you're the technician of the knowledge you possess. And to the degree that you possess that greater knowledge inside, guess what, dude? Technology, right? Terminology, right? Biology, right? It's the way it goes, my friends. And you can use that invisible energy to shift into the direction you want to go, dude. What do you want to do, buddy? What you want to do? You want to go to Fantasy Island, baby? You want to go, you want to go to Paradise Island? Dude, you could take yourself there right now. This is why visualization is so powerful. Because what you visualize, what you focus on, you're projecting supervision. You're projecting energetic vision, energetic energy, energetic realities everywhere, dude. Yeah, buddy. You could be doing something completely normal and fun for the day, and something completely changes your plans, right? Because somehow that energy vortex from over here came into your reality, and now you latched onto it and caught onto it and became aware of it. You experienced it, bam, you collapsed the fact that that really happened, right? Yeah, buddy, baby. And that, my friends, is reality shifting in a nutshell. That's how to bend reality to your will. You're bending reality all day, every day. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Let me think these amazing thoughts. No, I don't want to think these not amazing thoughts. Let me do this. Let me do that. Let me go here. Let me go there. You're bending and shifting and moving throughout your day. You're bending your reality into the reality you want to create. And so, what do you want to create, dude? Yeah, buddy, baby. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today, my friends. And that is how to use reality shifting to bend your reality, to bend your will, to make it a reality. It starts in the energy field, baby. And then you can create that kind of reality over time. Yeah, buddy. But that's it, champions. That's all I got for you guys today. Check it out, baby. If you guys are new here to the channel, you guys like these kind of videos, consider subscribing, dude. Consider, boom, smashing that like button, baby, if you guys like this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the little bell notification right there, dude. Somewhere below, baby. Yeah, buddy. But I do thank you guys, and I do look forward to talking to you champions again next time, baby. Peace. Whatever reality you can think of, that's the reality you can shift into. Reality is an energy. Where your energy goes, your reality goes, grows. Something like that.